Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S divided by 6 multiplied by x divided by c is equal to 6 divided by x multiplied by 6 divided by x. Solution. Then from here, we have s multiplied by x. This is s squared divided by 6 multiplied by 6. This is c squared is equal to 6 multiplied by 6, 6 squared divided by s multiplied by x. This is s squared. And if you cross multiply from here, we have s squared multiplied by s squared is equal to c squared multiplied by 6 squared. Now s squared multiplied by s squared, this is s to the power of 4 is equal to c squared multiplied by c squared. This is 6 to the power of 4. Then this can be written as s to the power of 4 minus 6 to the power of 4 is equal to 0. So this s to the power of 4 can be written as s squared minus this 6 to the power of 4 can be written as 6 square is equal to 0. If you look at this is in the form of perfect square. That is, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. And here, a is equal to s square, b is equal to 6 square. Then we have s square minus 6 square bracket s square plus 6 square is equal to 0. Now there are two cases here. The first case is s square minus 6 square equal to 0, and the second case is s square plus c square is equal to 0. Then from here, we have s square minus c square is equal to s plus 6 bracket s minus 6 is equal to 0. Then there are two cases also. We have x plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to minus 6. This is the first value of x. And from here, s minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 6. This is the second value of x. And from here, the second case, we have s squared plus c squared is equal to 0. This is s squared plus c squared, that is 36, is equal to 0. Then s squared is equal to minus 36. Now let's take the square root of both sides. We have square root of s squared is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 36. This will cancel this. Then s is equal to plus or minus 6i. Therefore, s3 is equal to 6i and s4 is equal to minus 6i. Then this is x1 and this is x2. Our final answers are s1 is equal to minus 6, s2 is equal to 6, s3 equal to 6i s4 equal to minus 6i. We can check to confirm if these answers are right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation x divided by 6 multiplied by x divided by 6 must be equal to 6 divided by x multiplied by 6 divided by x. Then when x is from the first one, when x is equal to minus 6, here we have minus 6 divided by 6 multiplied by minus 6 divided by 6 must be equal to 6 divided by minus 6 multiplied by 6 divided by minus 6. This will cancel this one, this will cancel this one, 1 and 1. Here we have minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 must be equal to, here, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Therefore, the left hand side, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, this is 1, is equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, this is 1, which is true. Also, when s is equal to 6, we have s divided by 6 multiplied by s divided by 6 is equal to 6 divided by x multiplied by 6 divided by x. When s is 6, we have 6 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 6 is equal to 6 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 6. So this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this. We have 1 multiplied by 1 must be equal to 1 multiplied by 1. Therefore, the left hand side, 1 is equal to the right hand side, 1, which is also true. Let's check. When s is equal to 6i, we have s divided by 6 multiplied by x divided by 6 is equal to 6 divided by x multiplied by 6 divided by x. Then here we have 6i divided by 6 multiplied by 6i divided by 6 must be equal to 6 divided by 6i multiplied by 6 divided by 6i. Then this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this. We have I multiplied by I. We have I square must be equal to this 1 divided by I square. Then I square is equal to minus 1. We have minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. Therefore, we have minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. This is minus 1, which is true. Lastly, when s is equal to minus 6i, we have s divided by 6 multiplied by x divided by 6 is equal to 6 divided by x multiplied by 6 divided by x. So we have minus 6i divided by 6 multiplied by minus 6i divided by 6 must be equal to 6 divided by minus 6i multiplied by 6 divided by minus 6i. This we cancel this, this we cancel this, this we cancel this, this we cancel this. We have minus bracket here. We have minus I multiplied by minus I must be equal to 1 divided by minus I multiplied by 1 divided by minus I. Then here, minus times minus it become plus. I times I squared. This is minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by minus times minus here is plus. I times I squared, which is minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1, this is minus 1, which is also true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.